the world, because there is no peace among the wicked, especially the nations who forget the Lord. There's a peace. Who had made Boswan Jews and Gentiles, and now the middle wall of partition was broken down. So that's the middle wall of partition. Today there's no more Jew. There's no more Jew. There's only one